Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the UrBen Electric Pencil Sharpener. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a compact electric pencil sharpener that can be used for sharpening standard as well as wide pencils. And it does have dual source power operation, being able to be powered using an adapter or 4 AA batteries. So now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, popping the box lid open to reveal the electric pencil sharpener. And it does come with twin packs of AA batteries. So let's go ahead and remove everything from the box first, and then we can take a close-up look at the contents once we've done all that. So making sure that the box is completely emptied. Now we can go ahead and set it to the side. Okay, so the contents of the box is what we're looking at right now, spread out across the tabletop. So it comes with some instructions, of course the pencil sharpener, as well as 2 twin packs of AA batteries. So let's first take a look at the instructions or user manual. Okay, so it is a single leaflet with very small print. So I'm going to bring it up close to show you the 2-hole electric pencil sharpener by UrBen's. And just moving right along and down. Okay, so that's the user manual on one side. Of course, there is a reverse side to the leaflet as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and set that down and to the side. And of course, take a close-up look at the batteries as well. So it comes with 2 twin packs of AA batteries, and it's nice to see that they are sealed as they should be. Okay, let's set that to the side as well so that we can then look at the UrBen's electric pencil sharpener itself. So you can see it is sealed up in a clear plastic bag. So let's go ahead and remove the clear plastic wrapper. Let's safely and gently cut the sticky tape apart and remove the plastic bag. Okay, so now we have a nice good look at the UrBen electric pencil sharpener. So you can see the size of it. It does have a pretty nice design with some gentle curves, not looking overly industrial. So it does have this sloped back, and on the underside there are 4 round silicone pads to prevent any slippage, and of course there is a battery compartment at the bottom as well. So here we go, a nice good look. Pulling it slightly further away to give you more perspective of the size and shape of the UrBen electric pencil sharpener. And it is very light in weight, and of course having a plastic construction as well. Pretty tough, solid plastic. Doesn't feel flimsy at all, and a top-down view. At the pencil sharpening holes. So there is on the left hand side 9 to 12 millimeter pencil width, and on the right hand side 6 to 8 millimeters So we do have a wide range, being from 6 all the way to 12 millimeters across, okay, or in diameter. So giving you some idea as to the size right there, resting in the palm of my hand. It is very light, and then perhaps this way will give you more of an idea to the size. So it is not too large, but not small either, but completely portable and usable on the go, given that it does take 4 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and of course pop open that bottom compartment. So let's do that. Just popping out, and you can see that it does come with some blades and a screwdriver as well. So let's pop the pack of blades as well as the screwdriver out, and I'll set it down so you can see what's what right there with all the details laid out, or accessories. And why not, let's pop open the front compartment as well, just to show you what the inside looks like. So of course the shavings will be contained inside where the blades are, and kept using this clear plastic lid. So there we go. It's not entirely secure, this lid. It doesn't really snap in place, so you might want to be mindful of that when using this sharpener. Okay, so there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and take a close-up look at the inner workings right there. See if you can see what's what. Nice, good view on the inside of the UrBen Electric Pencil Sharpener. Okay, so you can see 2 barrels there with the blades already installed. Okay, so nice and simple design there. And of course, there is no cutting surface that you can actually stick your finger into. So pretty safe that way. Now let's go ahead and of course pop the batteries in. So you can see it does take 4 AA batteries. Let's go ahead and pop these batteries open or apart. Okay, so that's a pair of them. Let's go ahead and do the other packet. And that's the second packet. So once again, I'm going to show you closely the AA batteries. So right there, 4 AA batteries. And also one thing to remind you again, that this unit does take a power adapter as well. So there is a power adapter inlet socket at the rear to power the electric pencil sharpener. So dual mode power supply, either via an adapter which is not supplied or via the 4 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and pop those batteries in. And pop the battery cover back on. And there appears to be a safety feature as well, if I understand this correctly, that the pencil sharpener will not operate when the lid is removed. So as you can see, there are notches in the corner of the lid that presses into the switches in the corner, left and right hand side that disconnects the power or disables the sharpener from use when it's not replaced back in position. Okay, so now let's test that out. And of course, before I do that, let's quickly show you the spare blade. So there is one spare blade as far as I can tell, or beg your pardon, there are two spare blades in this blade box here. Okay, always nice to see that it does come with replacement blades. So I'm going to set that down. And then now let's test the sharpener out. Of course, the screwdriver is there for you to replace the blades. So obviously, when we turn the blades around, they can be removed via unscrewing using the supplied screwdriver right here. So it is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so we've seen pretty much a lot of detail as to the screwdriver or the electric sharpener. Now let's go ahead and test it out. So I do have two pencils here, one being a thick color pencil in orange and a regular pencil. Okay, so you can see two widths quite different in width, one being slightly thicker, the color pencil at the bottom, and the pencil being a lot narrower, which is a standard kind of width pencil. I'm going to give you a look there. Okay, so you can see they are slightly blunt, not quite sharp at all. Let's go ahead and of course test it out, and with the cover removed, you can see that pressing the pencil in the hole does not work. So let's go ahead and put the cover back in and test it out that way. So let's start off with the pencil. And just like that, very quickly, it has sharpened the pencil right there with a very, very sharp tip as well. In less than 2 seconds, it's done the job. Now let's try it with the color pencil this time on the larger diameter pencil sharpening hole. Okay, make sure I hold on to the color pencil tightly, as it does have a very, very strong cutter right there. So testing it out, see if I'm doing this right. Does not appear to be sharpening for some reason. Let's go ahead and try the pencil back in the small hole. So that side works fine. And let's see what I might be doing wrong here. Okay, so not quite sure what this latch is about, but pressing the pencil down does not appear to be triggering. There we go. So there is a safety button right there, and of course always read the instructions before trying to operate. So that safety switch there is to prevent any fingers from being pressed or inserted into the hole. So pressing there and pushing down does sharpen the pencil. So a lot more effort is required to push the color pencil into the hole. But there we go. So a safety feature with that switch there, or the button. Okay, so I'm going to give you a close-up look at both the pencils now. So super sharp tips and sharpened in a very, very short amount of time. Alrighty. And just to show you the shavings, right in there, in the shaving compartment. So with 2 pencils shaved, that's the amount of pencil shavings we've managed to contain. Okay, so you can see this does release the safety catch on the side, which allows further insertion of the color pencil or wide pencil into the larger hole. So that's the UrBen Electric Pencil Sharpener. Thanks for watching and happy sharpening!